Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the new Riu Hotel in Trelawney, Jamaica. This is a massive hotel that's being built, over 900 rooms. This is actually going to be the largest Riu hotel in Jamaica, and this will be the 7th hotel that Riu is opening in Jamaica. Now, the section that the crane is at, that is a part of the hotel, and where you see the three white blocks, that's also a part of the hotel. Now, the structure to the right of the three white blocks, that is Royalton. It's a different hotel, but this area has such a nice beach that that's why these hotels are being built here. I think this is Cooper's Pen in Trelawney, and it's the fastest growing tourist area in Jamaica right now, and that has a lot to do with the beach. Now, this project is going up so fast. I mean, I am literally amazed at how much progress is being made, how fast they're moving. And something else that amazes me is the amount of workers that they have on this project. It's really, I'm assuming the contractor is a Chinese contractor because of how fast it's going up. But I'm really impressed with the amount of workers that they have working on this project. All right, so we're going to give you just a brief summary of what this project is about. The construction of Riu Trelawney Hotel is currently underway in Jamaica, and the name of the hotel is going to be Riu Aquarelle. This is an extensive project that will require the input of various professionals in the construction industry. The hotel will provide a luxurious experience for guests and will feature world-class amenities and service. The hotel is located in Trelawney, Jamaica, on the island's north coast. The location is ideal as it provides stunning views of the Caribbean Sea and is in close proximity to popular tourist attractions such as Dunn's River Falls and Dolphin Cove. The construction of the Riu Trelawney Hotel is expected to take approximately 2 years to complete. The project, I think the completion date is this year or early next year. The hotel will feature 900 rooms, 7 restaurants, and numerous other amenities such as a spa, fitness center, and swimming pools. The hotel's architecture will be contemporary with a Caribbean twist that will provide a unique ambience for guests. The hotel will also be built with sustainability in mind. The developers have included various measures to reduce the hotel's carbon footprint. Such as using solar power, energy efficient lighting, and water saving features. The construction of the Riu Trelawney Hotel is a massive project that will provide numerous employment opportunities for locals, and once completed will provide a luxurious experience for guests. The hotel's location and amenities make it an ideal destination for tourists who want to experience the beauty and charm of Jamaica. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about this project. I am literally amazed at how fast this project is going up and the amount of workers that they have working on it. Alright guys, so leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this project, and we are going to give you updates on this project every 2 weeks until it's finished. And if you have any other project that you want or any other video you want us to make, just leave a comment in the section below. We'll be happy to do it. Also, as a special thank you to everyone for reaching 10,000 subscribers, we are going to be making any video you want for this month. Alright guys, have a good day.